A $1 million luxury car back then is now only worth a few tens of thousands of dollars. Spent 2 months renovating it like this. It doesn't break when touched. Engine. Then the oil is blocked for 3 yuan. Playing alone. Keep a window light. Catch spray rotten eggs. Special degreaser cleaning solution for allergy. Red dust sterilization. Glove also removes all elasticity. Before and after wedding dress comparison. These places use blue light. Spray high temperature sunscreen paint. It's not a superficial show of grace. Start the engine. Homes are everywhere. The speculative charcoal of the exclusive kitchen is all over the valve. Demolish the monster. Glue is everywhere. The screw holes are glued off. It can't be opened at all without warping. Page institutions are beautiful. The more you bang, the better. Did you watch the oil leak fall? The mischief broke into pieces. Extra crispy. If it is not lost on the road, it is a risk. It is the car with the chain. Pay attention to replacement. Don't wait until the engine is scrapped to understand. Tool and prefecture down. We can see the piston. The carbon deposition is very serious and it just forced Lhasa. Not optimistic here. It's not on the original pull anymore. Life is urgent. Finished. Packing pot cleaning. Washed. Prepare the lower liner. Cylinder liner cleaning. Pour in liquid nitrogen. Parts ready. Measure clearly before installation. Figure axle runout test. The chain is elongated and replaced directly. Otherwise, we will continue to get revenge. The vault mark only represents wine, not a loose mark. Install wrinkle removal. Surface dust and oil removal to prevent later oil leakage. Strictly according to the original factory. Maintenance left side construction. Torque and sequence of each screw. The maintenance is marked for the first time. The extruded glue is very uniform. Put in the piston. That's the power of Liba. 8 beef rice per caddy and 20 less. Minus another 40 Nm. Finally turn 90 degrees. The screw coordinates of the tight hoop go to the leak-free well. It's not loose and elegant. You can never about you. Admire the big tail. Then assemble. Chassis world before renovation. Renovated Dingren world. Winter. Wear shoes to protect the carpet. far away, don't lie to me. Yeah, I get my 3. Small details matter. The whole mobile phone shooting company Commander Mosquito Repellent is also so cold. Beautiful and so loving me. Fantasy boxing rounds. Polish the details again. Glass oil film affects line of sight. I can't see the glass at all every day. Apply oil film remover after wetting. Then wipe it in circles. The effect can be said to be immediate. That's how it looks. Good news for decommissioning and renovation.